It's another beautiful day on the farm. And guess what? We're off to the dairy again. We always seem to be going to the dairy, don't we? Well, it's part of farming on this farm. I think Oksana's down there today. So we're going to go and see what she's up to. The sun's out. I'll bring it up. So we have that hook on Butternuts, and the reason we have that hook on Butternuts is that she has a tendency to kick. Bit of a kicker. So, give us a little extra security. And we, have you ever been kicked by Butternuts?
Huh?
Have you ever been kicked by Butternuts?
Oh, yes, I give you one more.
Huh? What's her name here? Smokey. She's the youngest one in the group. She was sort of a runaway teenager. She got pregnant on us.
They get everything what they want.
You're making cream now, and you're making kefir.
Kefir and yogurt and butter cheese and chipotle. I don't know, we'll see.
Okay. I'll go ahead and clean the dairy.
So I'm going to clean dairy if you don't mind to put me starting to do this one, and this is what we should do for tomorrow. But it's not in there now, a little bit. So I'm not having enough. So that's it, only 5 gallons kefir that we can draw. Yogurt, and I don't have anything for cottage cheese. So we have no cottage cheese and no way for Holland and for...
How much milk in there?
Maybe 1 gallon.
Oh.
That's it. So, not that good. What are you doing?
There's a camera in front of you, baby. We're videotaping. Folks, Oksana's still a little camera shy. We're working on her, but she's getting better.
I'm not bad anyway.
Go ahead and put comments in the comment section. Give her some encouragement. So she's straining off the rest of the milk there, and then over here, where you've seen in one of my other videos, we're stripping milk and making cream. Cream's coming out of the left, whole milk's coming out of the right. I don't know if that's your left or on the camera. That's the question. I don't know. I think it's your left. The milk in the jug there. And that's for the keeper, right? Do we want to go ahead and maybe bring some milk up to our house?
I have half a gallon.
Half gallon.
Like this, half a gallon.
Very nice. So what we do, folks, is we have a little cottage over here, and we rent out an Airbnb, and part of the people that stay, we give them fresh cream from the actual farm. As this says there, fresh cream. Delicious, let me tell you. It is. It's like a midsummer. We're in the middle of October, and it's like a midsummer's day out there. I mean, it's like sweaty. I mean, it's humid. Ugh. We're headed off to Asheville next week for a break. We have a little farmer coming in.
Like for plastic. So they maybe find something like a
Fork?
fork.
Tin foil.
Like a fork.
Yeah, you can find a fork, yeah.
I don't know how to...
Get forks in the Hobby Lobby.
Yeah.
You have to bring that into Hobby Lobby and fix forks. Nice wash. Just think I wash the machines well.
No, you don't.
She always comes after me every time and always finds something. Alright, honey?
You're bad.
I'm back. Beautiful cluster of mushrooms. Can anybody identify that? I have no idea what that is. Just another view of our pond project. Just came up the dairy and thought I might give you a quick shot. It's coming along nicely. And that makes it a wrap. Remember, thumbs up. We like to get the thumbs up. Subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell. And as always, we'll see you guys on the farm.